Well guys, for the longest time this guy wasn't feeling all that well. He's having a lot of digestive issues, but he has since gotten better. We want to get him back into this hiking world. Take him on a nice little short 0.3 mile hike today. Ready for that, Blaze? You're always ready. Alright, so it's been a while since Blaze has been on a hike with us. So where are we going to take him today, Deanna?
Round Meadow Creek Trail in Southwest Virginia.
And it's just right off of the Blue Ridge Parkway, so we'll see if there's any views along the way too. Entering the Blue Ridge Parkway.
1.5 miles.
And we made it.
Your destination is on the right.
So we made it over here, the Round Meadow Overlook, elevation 2,800 feet. And it says it's a 20-minute loop trail. It's only 0.3 miles, but about 80 feet of elevation gain. So it should be a nice little easy trail for Blaze to get acclimated back into hiking again. All right, Deanna said to go right. So that's the way we're going. Looks paved, so that's, well, I guess it was paved for 2 seconds, now it's not paved anymore. And since this is such a short hike, I'll probably show you most of the trail here. It rained a ton yesterday, so this trail might be a little slick on some of these rocks. Minus the occasional car going over the Blue Ridge Parkway, it's very nice and relaxing out here. This is just south of Meadows of Dan, so if you're driving up through the Blue Ridge Parkway, you come by Meadows of Dan, definitely check this little trail out. Meadows of Dan also has the Nancy Candy Company, I think that's what it is, and boy do they have a lot of candy there. So if you love candy, do you love candy?
Not really.
Oh, I love candy, so definitely have to go check that out. Also, there's a cafe right there on that same little strip area, and let me tell you, really good price for some good food, and they feed you pretty well there too. I think we're getting close to the creek down here. Yeah, check out this nice little stream coming down through here. Ooh, it is definitely muddy from all that rain we got yesterday. My GoPro just said it didn't have any storage space left on it, but it says 44 minutes left, so sorry if this is a very short video. I'll try to fill in the gaps with something else. Looks like we're crossing underneath the bridge. Check that bridge out. It's pretty far up there. What would you say, engineer? 50, 60 foot columns?
I mean, we're at the bottom now and it said 88 feet, right? So
Yeah, so maybe it's 88 feet. Here's another view. One of the few cases I actually feature a bridge in the footage rather than just nature. I personally would still rank this as easy, but there is a little bit of elevation gain here, 80 feet of elevation gain. So if that sounds something daunting to you, don't do it. There are plenty of other cool overlooks and stuff along the Blue Ridge Parkway to go check out. So how do you like that little short hike?
It was fun. It's been a while since we got out, so it's always nice to get out into nature.
How do you like it, Blaze? We picked a nice cool day for the pup. High of like 81 degrees Fahrenheit today. Still pretty warm, but compared to other temperatures we've had recently, it's fairly moderate. Well guys, we already made it back to the parking lot. That's about how long 0.3 miles is, not very long. So, since it was such a short hike, that's a lot of S words, where are we gonna head to next?
Are we going to the Lovers Leap Overlook?
Sure! So if you're starting at Round Meadow Overlook and you're heading towards this Lovers Leap Overlook, you're actually gonna be getting off the parkway, heading east towards Meadows of Dan. Then you'll be taking 58 towards a very, very windy road, but eventually you'll come across a very awesome view. So now we're getting off the Blue Ridge Parkway and we're getting on 58, which goes through Meadows of Dan. In Meadows of Dan, you can go to the Concord Corner Store. There's a bunch of little country stores through here. There's the cafe I was talking about. Jane's Country Cafe has really good food at a good price, just as they advertise. Get some gas if you're coming through here. They have diesel as well. And there's Nancy's Candy Company. Oh yeah. So scratch that. We're actually on 58 business now. We're getting on 58. And well, we made it to Lovers Leap. Wait, that's not the view. Where's the view at? Oh, there it is. Yeah, so it's about 1,000 feet, maybe more than 1,000 feet elevation gain between this lookout point and the ground down there. Well, the lowest point of elevation. As you can see, the Blue Ridge quite literally goes around that side, and this is where it kind of falls off. It's still hilly and stuff throughout here, but it's not nearly as mountainous as further off west. Off west, it's kind of the plateau. It's near like 3,000 feet elevation. Then you go down to like 1,800 feet elevation down there. There is a little bit of a path or drive going up there. We can check it out to see if there's a little hiking trail or just a different view of this awesome area. How do you like it, Deanna?
It's beautiful.
You like all the graffiti too? It's a lot of graffiti. Don't put graffiti on this. I don't know if this is a new thing, but people are putting a ton of padlocks all throughout this bridge, or all throughout this overlook. Kind of interesting. All right, let's go up to the top. So this is the Fred Clifton Park. No idea what this is, but it says more scenic views. Wonder if anyone else knows this exists, because they're all just stopping down there by the road. There's one person here. This looks like a nice little park. I think there might be some picnic. Yeah, there's some picnic tables down there if you want to have a picnic up here. Porta potty if business calls. And we're heading off to the overlook. Nice and shaded for the pup here. Some more picnic tables. And the overlook. Dun dun dun. Yeah, I'd say that's actually better than the overlook on the other side. Nice little relaxing area to stop for a little picnic or just come up here. I mean, there's no one else up here with us right now, and it's a Saturday afternoon. So,
Well, it's almost lunchtime, I think.
yeah, so it'd be a perfect time to come here on a Saturday afternoon. 11:50, okay. We got some precise data for you now. Looks like there's a trail off that way, some more picnic tables, plenty of areas to come up here and just chill and enjoy the view. Well guys, I think we're gonna head off because we're hungry and we're gonna go get some lunch, and we weren't smart enough to bring our lunch with us. So we'll see you in the next one. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of our adventure here in Southwest Virginia. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
DnSAdventures.com.
And as always,
Adventure on.
check out that view. Deanna and I have decided it's like hiking through a cloud right now. Now it's so humid.